Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hold on, wait, I just forgot something. My intro.
I got issues, yeah, I got problems with Cool Beepin', baby. I apologize to you, I should've listened, baby. I wasn't in love with them hoes, I was just pimpin', baby. I know my part, know my role, I wasn't slipping, baby. I regretted you.
So that was my intro. Yeah, guys, I love my new intro. But today we're going to be by the cover. You already know. So wait, cause I don't know what I'm about to do. So I'm just gonna grab random things from the refrigerator and just try to swallow it down. Because I haven't been active and I need to get my subscribers up. So if you follow me, if you're on there right now, tell everybody you can you follow me, get my likes up, my subscribers. Please, guys, I will do anything. Please, just play in the comments. I got a scarf on my hair, look a mess, but I'm about to describe stuff on the refrigerator. So yeah. Got some. Good job. What else? It don't let me in that. So I got some mustard. I hate really mustard. And I got some A1 sauce. Yes. So I'm gonna start with the A1 sauce because I had this before on my steak, but I don't think it's good in person. That was just so nasty. I threw that spoon and stuff. Oh, I spit that out because my tongue felt like it burned. But that thing burned, like it really burned. So next is the mustard, because I put that ketchup there because, ugh, I'd rather. I'm only doing this much, y'all. Then after this, I'm just going to do my video to end it. I ate it, y'all. Say no eyes on this one. Oh. Hold up. Ew. Ew, you dirty.
Tastes good, y'all.
This thing is nasty.
Okay, but let me be nasty. Why you do that first before?
It was on my jacket. Don't ever try this. But get this likes to 50 likes and I will crack an egg on my head and I will show a embarrassing picture on YouTube. But peace, y'all. I love y'all.
I love y'all too.